In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion on your iPad for school. We're going to create a simple, organized workspace that helps you keep track of classes, notes, assignments, and important deadlines, all in one place. If you use your iPad for studying, this setup can make your school life much easier and help you stay consistent across all your devices. First, download and open the Notion app on your iPad. You can get it from the App Store if you don't already have it installed. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and give it a moment to load. Notion is designed to work well on iPad, so this is a great starting point if you want a flexible digital school planner. Next, sign in to your Notion account. If you already use Notion on another device, logging in will let you access your existing pages right away. This is important because it keeps everything connected in one workspace. Make sure you're using the correct account so your school setup stays in the right place. Once you're in, create a dashboard for your schoolwork. Think of this dashboard as your main homepage. It should be the first place you visit when you open Notion, and it can help you keep everything centralized and easy to navigate. A clean dashboard makes a big difference, especially when you're managing multiple subjects and assignments. For notes, you can use typed notes directly in Notion, which is great for quick organization and easy editing. If you prefer writing by hand with your Apple Pencil, you can also attach handwritten notes from another app when needed. This gives you flexibility so you can choose the method that works best for each class or topic without losing everything in separate places. After that, add pages for each class or subject. This is one of the best ways to stay organized because it separates your materials clearly. Each class page can hold its own notes, resources, and anything else related to that subject. Keeping classes divided like this makes it much easier to find what you need later, especially during busy weeks. Then create an assignment tracker for homework, deadlines, and exams. This is where Notion becomes especially useful for school. A tracker helps you see what's coming up, what needs attention first, and what you've already completed. Try to keep it updated regularly so it stays useful and accurate. Finally, make sure your Notion pages sync across your iPad, phone, and computer. This way, your school system stays available wherever you are. You can review notes on your phone, update assignments on your laptop, and plan everything from your iPad without losing progress. Once this is set up, you'll have a practical and reliable Notion system for school that's easy to maintain and even easier to use every day.